Vedanta Limited to launch a vaccine program for its employees' kids. Vedanta Limited, Vedanta, one of the world's greatest natural resources corporations, has launched a huge immunization campaign throughout its locations to protect the children of all of its employees and business partners who are between the ages of 15 and 18. In Mumbai and Delhi, the two cities with the highest caseloads, the effort also includes setting up community immunization camps for children in this age group. Booster shots for senior citizens and frontline employees will also be provided by Vedanta. The decision is in keeping with the company's vision and commitment to protecting the health and well-being of its employees, their families, and the communities in which they live. Under the auspices of the Anil Agrawal Foundation, the initiatives are being implemented. Throughout the pandemic, the organization has been conducting vaccination efforts for its members and has so far administered over 1.5 lakh doses through various programs. Vedanta is now aiming to achieve more than 2 lakh vaccine doses as part of its vaccination campaign. Vedanta's concept is based on employee centricity, and the company has implemented various employee-friendly measures to enhance staff health and safety, particularly during the present epidemic. The corporation has already committed more than 250 crore rupees in COVID alleviation efforts, benefiting more than 15 lakh consumers. We at Vedanta believe that the safety and wellness of our workers and their extended families is our top responsibility as we find ourselves in the midst of a third wave of the pandemic, propelled by the Omicron strain, stated Mr. Sunil Duggal, Group CEO, Vedanta. Our vaccination effort will focus on children in the eligible age bracket, with booster injections for senior citizens and frontline workers provided in accordance with government criteria and vaccine availability. We support our government's efforts to combat the virus and eventually rid our country of it. To ensure that all eligible people get vaccinated, the company aims to continue holding specialized vaccination camps for employees, their families, and business partners throughout all of its operations sites and offices. Vedanta Limited Vaccination Drive. Vedanta has been at the forefront of the country's fight against COVID-19, providing critical support to society and those affected by the pandemic in the form of producing and supplying oxygen, establishing field hospitals and COVID care centers, providing vaccinations, and providing critical care medical equipment such as oxygen cylinders, ventilators, and ICU beds, among other things. Last year, the company set up 10 field hospitals with 100 beds each in record time to help COVID patients, and it has also partnered with Apollo Hospital and HealthSpring to assist with COVID management across their sites, as well as tie-ups with respected hospitals across the country. The Anil Agrawal Foundation, AAF, also started the Swasth Gaon Abhiyan, which aims to deliver end-to-end healthcare to 1,000 villages in 12 states.